Hello everyone. In this session, we see how we can transfer data from FieldAssist DMS to Tally software using TallyConnector application. For that, first of all, you open TallyConnector application. Then you open Tally software with the company. The Tally company which is open, that you can select in the TallyConnector application. Now to connect this TallyConnector application with the FieldAssist DMS, you have to log into your DMS. I already log in. After that, come into the My Profile and scroll it down and click here on Connect Tally. Once we click on Connect Tally, the token is generated. You can see that token here in the file option in the token. So if the token is displaying in this box, it means that the software is successfully connected with the DMS. Before transferring this data in Tally, you can take the backup of your Tally company simply on clicking backup option, create backup. This backup of your Tally company is saved by default in the softwares folder. Now if you want to transfer data in a fresh Tally company or a new Tally company, then you give the period for which you want to transfer this data and select on the options that you want to transfer and click on Start button. But if you want to transfer data in the existing Tally company, for that you have to map your Tally ledgers with the DMS ledgers. To do mapping, we click here on Mapping option and click on Download Excel. Once you download the Excel file, this is a downloaded mapping Excel file. The yellow highlighted columns are for the DMS ledger name with their details, and the blue highlighted columns are for the Tally ledger name with their details. If the party name is having the same GST number in the Tally as well as in the DMS, then it gets mapped automatically. But for the unmatched ledgers, you can select the ledger name from this drop down list. For an example, like this Agrawal General Stores, this ledger name present in the DMS, but it is not matched with the Tally ledger name, might be because of the spelling difference. So you can select from this drop down list. This drop down list is for the Tally ledger names, and you can select the Tally ledger name from this drop down list. So likewise, you can do mapping for all the ledgers, and similarly we can do mapping for the products. If the products are having the same spelling in the DMS and in the Tally ledger name, that will get mapped automatically. And if there is a difference in the spelling for those products, you can do mapping that we saw for the ledgers, that you can select the product name from this drop down list. Once you save this file, you can upload it into the Tally. Now to upload this, come to the software and click on Mapping option, Upload Excel, browse this Excel file. This is our Excel file, and start this. So see, like this process, we can transfer our mapped ledgers in Tally. After completing the mapping process, we can start for importing invoices from DMS to Tally. So here in this DMS, come into the sales order, My Sales Invoices, and select the specified date range. Here I am taking the present year's invoices, and you can see that in this present year I have 4 invoices. Before transferring this data, you must ensure that the Tally is open and the company is selected. Here you can see that no vouchers are entered in this company. Now come into the TallyConnector application, select your Tally company. I selected here date range. And now as we want to transfer the sales invoices, so select the option Invoice Download and click on Start button. Process is completed. Now we can check these invoices in Tally. Okay. So these are the 4 invoices which are transferred for this present year. Okay. Now coming to the discount, as there are the multiple discounts like cash discount, secondary discount, primary discount, scheme discount. So all these discounts are mentioned at the item description level, because in the Tally we do not have these 4 columns to mention these specific discounts. Hence it is mentioned at the item description level, and the total of the discount amount is mentioned here in this ledger total cash discount value. As per the stock items are also created with the GST rate, and according to the GST rate, the tax rates are creating with their values or with their amounts. We can see the tax analysis. This is the tax analysis for this entry, and this is the detailed tax analysis, and you can see that this invoice is ready for the GST filing. In a similar way, we can transfer credit note, purchase, payment collection from DMS to Tally using TallyConnector application. To know more in details, you can see this documentation by visiting on FieldAssist.TallyConnects.com, or you can reach out to us by contacting on these numbers. Thank you.